The Bhagavad Gita comprises dialogue between Lord Krishna and Arjun. The dialogue takes place at the battlefield when both the armies are ready to fight, army of Kauravas and army of Pandavas. Now, Arjun requests Lord Krishna to steer the chariot and keep it in front of both the armies in the center. So when he looks at the army of Kauravas, he finds his own relatives, near relatives. Likewise, on his side also, the fighters are his own relatives. So he has a feeling that in case I go in for this war, my own relatives on both the sides will be killed, meaning thereby that our family will be annihilated, or many of the members of the family will be killed. The result will be disastrous for the entire clan. So he is very upset. Besides, he is emotional. He is not able to think properly. He is not able to move his dhanush. He is not able to do anything. He tells Lord Krishna, "Look, my entire body is aching. I am not able to think. My mouth is going dry and I do not know what to do. I cannot fight. I cannot fight my own relatives, knowing that it will not be good for us." Further, he tells Lord that, "Look, we are wise enough. We know the sin involved in this war. They are greedy and therefore they have come here. But I do not want to fight. I do not want to fight my own relatives, my seniors, the gurus and the grandfathers whom I respect. How can I kill my own relatives, my seniors, my elders who have actually brought me here to life?" Now, we are wise enough to understand that the war will lead to disaster to the entire family, and therefore I don't mind even if I have to beg. I don't mind if they kill me, but I'll not like to fight. He further says, even if I could get to rule the entire three lokas, the three worlds according to Hindu tradition, or even if they were to kill me, I do not want to kill them. Where then is the question of my fighting them only for this earthly kingdom? To this, Lord Krishna said, "Dear Arjun, how did you get into the fit of attachment at this most inopportune time? Enlightened minds do not get into attachment. Besides, neither this attachment will grant you heaven nor it will bring you any repute. Therefore, Arjun, don't get into the state of unproductiveness. It doesn't behove you. Dear Arjun, get rid of the wasteful waywardness of the mind and get ready for the battle. Soul is indestructible. It doesn't die. It is only changing bodies. Just as a person changes the clothes, the soul changes the body and continues. There was no time when it is born. There is no time when it will die. Therefore, you should not be afraid. You should not think, and you must perform your duty as a Kshatriya. It is your duty to fight. And if you don't do your duty, you will be called a coward, which is worse than death."